Imagine having an assistant that writes, researches, and even jokes tirelessly 24/7. Missed it? That's ChatGPT. And you might be overlooking the digital revolution happening right under your nose. Do not miss it. Today, we are not just showing you what you have been missing, we are guiding you to be a part of it. Stay tuned and let's unlock the future together. Hey friends, this is Ram and you're watching Skill Builder Zone. Welcome back to the Chat GPT for Everyone series. Today we'll be checking out how you can actually start using ChatGPT. We will see the web version, we will see the application in your iOS devices, also the Android application from the Google Play Store. So let's get started. Let's first have a look at the web version, the website which you can access from your laptops or your computers. Let's have a look. To log in into ChatGPT, to use ChatGPT, you will need to go to the OpenAI's website and create your account. You'll have to sign up. You can also use Google account to log in. Let's do that. OpenAI.com. Let's do a login. It will take you to this page. Welcome back. So there are these options available. You can sign up with your email address and it will generate you an account, or you can continue with Google or your Microsoft account, or continue with Apple. If you click on sign up, if you want to create an account, it will ask you for your email address and you'll have to just follow the instructions and you'll be able to create the account. For now, I already have an account, so let's continue with that. You can continue with Google or your Microsoft account or your Apple account. Let's go with Google. Let me click that. And the password. It will ask me for verification. Obviously, I have got some multi-factor authentication enabled. So let me do that and I am in. So once you log into your OpenAI account, you will see these options, the ChatGPT and the API. This is for building your applications. If you want to use the ChatGPT for your applications, so you want to use it for your business purpose, or you want to build an application of your own, you can use this. ChatGPT is the virtual assistant kind of bot. ChatGPT, it's not just a chatbot, it's more of an assistant. So you just need to click this and it will take you to the ChatGPT page. Let me log in. Again, the same thing. I'll just continue with Google. And here it is. So I'm now in ChatGPT. You can see I have ChatGPT 3.5. The ChatGPT 4 is available only in plus tiers though, so you need to have that account, which is like $20 per month. Let's have a look. So if you click on upgrade to plus, you can see the plan. Currently I'm on a free plan. There is a plus plan, USD $20 per month. Then there is a team account that's more for businesses where you have to collaborate in a team, so use that. If we quickly do a plan comparison, in free tier you get the unlimited messages, interactions and history, access to your ChatGPT 3.5 model, which we will see how you can use it, access on web, iOS, Android. So yeah, so you get all of this available in the free tier, so you don't need to worry about anything else. If you're just starting to explore artificial intelligence, you just started exploring ChatGPT, then you don't need to upgrade to plus or any other plan. In plus you get ChatGPT 4, which is the latest model. The only difference with 3.5 and 4, like one of the difference is that 3.5 has older data on which it was trained. So around September 2021 is the latest of the data that it was trained on. So it doesn't know anything after that date. So if you ask who won the recent World Cup, it won't be able to tell you, but it will tell you anything before the September of 2021. On Plus, it has the capability to go and search in the web. So it will go, you can see a Bing session and it will go and check in the web and come back and tell you that, okay, this is what it found. So yeah, that's about ChatGPT on the web. You can get the application on your phones as well, and you will have the same option to continue using your login using your Google account. If we have a quick look, if you see Apple Store, yeah, you should be able to find it. It is very popular right now, and you can see the ratings and the downloads. Right, it's doing really well. I have it on my phone as well. I'll show you how it looks. I'm not sure if it is visible, but that's my ChatGPT, and I've got some history. I keep using it as my assistant. I have the Plus plan as well, so I can use other models, the DALE and any other options that's available with my tier. So this is just text to text, even voice to text, but the DALE has text to image as well, so I use that sometimes. But more on that in later videos. Today we are just checking out how you can start using it. If we see the Play Store, you should be able to find the application here as well. So ChatGPT. Yep, so this is the one, 50 million plus downloads, and yep, so you can just download on your phone and start using it. So this is all about the web version, and I've shown you that the app is available in your iOS App Store as well as Android's Play Store. I'll quickly have a short demo on my phone as well. I'll just pop that in. This is my phone, and I have got the ChatGPT application downloaded. I have logged in, and I'll quickly show you how I can use it. So I'll ask it, I'll give it a prompt. I will ask it to describe me how the Eiffel Tower looks. And as you can see, it comes back with the description. So instead of Googling around, I think you can start using ChatGPT as your assistant for anything that you do, for writing content, for writing your captions for your pictures, for writing posts for LinkedIn, for Facebook, or anything that you need help with. ChatGPT is the way to go. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video.